Dell Tech World delivered big insights and big opportunities for the channel. From enterprise AI to infrastructure modernization and cyber resilience, Dell is doubling down on innovation that's built for partner success. Joining me today is Casey Funk from Dell Technologies to share key takeaways and what it means for partners. Glad to have you here with me, Casey.
Great to see you, Ken. I'm happy to be here.
Casey, AI was a major theme at Dell Tech World. What's Dell doing to help partners turn enterprise AI into real revenue generating solutions?
Well, look, the first thing I'll say is AI is prolific in the industry right now. It's a part of every single customer conversation we're happening, and a major theme at Dell Tech World this past year. Our Dell XE server line is the fastest growing server in the history of Dell. Quite frankly, it's one of the fastest growing solutions in the history of the industry. We've done over $20 billion of GPU business in the last 18 months since launch. It's insane. And our customers recognize that in order for AI to be successful, they have to bring AI to where the data lives. 83% of the world's data lives within our customers' data centers and colo facilities. And so as we bring AI to the enterprise, it can be very complex and very confusing. And that's why we've created the Dell AI Factory. The Dell AI Factory is essentially a framework that allows our customers to drive maximum value from the potential of AI. And we couldn't do any of this without our partners. The ability for our partners to engage with Dell and our end user customers and follow the main construct of the Dell AI Factory to drive value and success at the customer level is absolutely critical. From an infrastructure strategy, allowing us to take advantage of this incredible infrastructure potential, and then perhaps most importantly, engaging in an ecosystem of partners that will bring AI to life with a rich set of services. Our partners are absolutely instrumental in the success of this new opportunity that every one of our customers is looking to take advantage of these days.
Dell's disaggregated infrastructure strategy is gaining traction. How does this approach help partners deliver more flexible, scalable solutions across hybrid environments?
Yes, it's a great question. There's a couple of things taking place within the industry that make this a very relevant conversation that we're having with our partners and customers every day. The first thing is that our customers are looking to take advantage of the benefits of classic three-tier infrastructure that we introduced to the market 30 years ago in its independent scale of resources and ability to consolidate a myriad of different workload types. But they're looking to couple that with the benefits of hyper-converged infrastructure that we introduced and took market-leading position 10 years ago. And that is the creation of an agile or innovative outcome for our customers that's fast and drives value quickly after an investment is made. The Dell disaggregated infrastructure strategy takes the best of those two worlds and brings them together into an environment that our customers can support a variety of different hypervisors, but that's not all. We can't just deploy an infrastructure supporting all those workloads without a high level of intelligence and perhaps most importantly, automation, orchestration, and day two operations, including lifecycle management. So for that, what we've done is we've innovated and integrated Dell AI Ops, our portfolio supporting infrastructure, application, and incident observability, and then the Dell Automation Platform, creating an outcome similar to what our customers loved from a hyper-converged solution like VxRail for any hypervisor use case, even bring your own server bare metal use cases. Dell is bringing blueprints to market through the Dell Automation Platform and Dell Private Cloud to create these fast time to market and value outcomes for our customers, really creating that closed loop in driving value to the application. Once again, this is a great concept, and Dell brings all of the infrastructure and software capabilities to market. But this is very dependent on front-end advisory services, consulting from today's infrastructure to where we want to go from an architectural strategy, and then the actual implementation and migration of those workloads from old to new. This is absolutely the perfect place for our partners to drive value and participate with us in every single customer conversation.
Cyber resilience is top of mind for every customer. How can partners lean on Dell to strengthen data protection and lead with zero trust?
Yeah, so it's a great question, Ken, and certainly data protection and cyber resiliency was at the center of almost every conversation back to Dell Tech World and since. Look, we believe that a modern data protection strategy built on a resilient and simple foundation is critical to secure on-prem, multi-cloud, and public cloud environments. Our solutions are designed for zero trust, right? We incorporate multi-factor authentication, role-based access control, and dual authentication to ensure that destructive commands are not enabled and that we reduce the attack vector across every one of our environments. At the very center of our solution, the Dell PowerProtect Cyber Resiliency portfolio enables customers to protect and isolate critical data from ransomware or other sophisticated threats. We use secure on-prem and cloud-based backups that are physically and logically isolated from production and backup networks, bringing our customers back online and getting their applications running as quickly as possible. Finally, our partnership with CyberSense and CrowdStrike allows for immediate anomaly detection and a managed detection and response strategy that ensures that customers understand when a nefarious action may be taking place and how to shut that down as quickly as possible, minimizing data loss and reducing downtime. We really believe we have the most comprehensive portfolio in the industry. And again, that technology foundation is phenomenal, but it only works with our customers' advisory services and implementation and migration services, bringing those solutions to life within every one of our customer environments.
Now, Casey, looking ahead, how is Dell continuing to invest in partner success? And how can partners take the next step with these solutions?
So if we rewind the tape about a year, there was a declaration within Dell that was really innovative and thought-provoking at the time, and now it's become something that we think about every day, and that was our partner-first strategy. We believe that partners are critical to everything that we do, where we not only encourage our sales teams to leverage our partner ecosystem and community, but we actually incent them from a financial perspective in a accelerator in their compensation plans. So we believe that our partners are critically important in how we scale the business. We have created a programmatic approach to make sure that all of our field sellers worldwide understand the importance of this go-to-market, and we are compensating them financially to engage our partners in every one of these conversations.
Casey, thank you so much for joining us and sharing how Dell is helping partners turn these opportunities into results. Thanks again.
Thanks so much, Kenna. Appreciate the time.
To learn more, visit the website on your screen. For the channel company, I'm Kenna Johnson.